So what's 7? Said I didn't hear you.
I have a lot to go over with my viewers.
I have a lot to go over with my viewers.
So you have to clarify a lot.
Okay, let's just stop right there.
Yeah.
Let's go that sentence. Remember at the beginning.
Yes.
What was it? Homemade.
Yes.
Homemade.
Very old.
Is like a very, very big word.
Yeah. No rehearsal.
No.
It's just
no. Homemade is you're not watching TV.
Yes.
Right? You're gonna see our mistakes.
Yes.
We're rolling. Whatever happens, happens.
All the glitches.
Right. It's not gonna be good. Quality-wise.
Quite rough. Quite rough.
All right, so that's like half of the sentence. What's the next word?
Well, you declare that you're doing this to make money.
Exactly.
You need money to build your brewery.
Exactly. Right? I'm not like, oh, what were you going to say?
Yeah, and this show, you want to make this show, and you think this show is about an everyday guy trying to fulfill his lifelong dream.
All right,
and
so
it's cool.
So back up and go to honesty.
So honesty is the best policy.
All right, so I need subscribers to get me back to Jamaica.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
I mean, if you like what you've seen on my videos, like, I want to be totally honest with everybody and say, like, I'm here to make money. I can't do my brewery without making money. I'm a truck driver.
Yeah.
You know? I don't have any money. So, you know, what's the next one? After honesty is the next policy.
Well, it's a great idea for a reality TV show.
All right. I got that one. So, I want to do a brewery, okay?
Yeah.
But there's also another side of me that thinks that this is a really cool idea because most everybody in this world has a dream.
Sure.
Right?
Yeah.
But I really feel like there isn't a reality show about normal people trying to pursue their dream.
Okay. Yeah.
And I think this is a really, really cool idea for a show. And I think when I go viral, there's going to be NBC and CBS are going to have a show about a regular guy or girl trying to pursue their dream.
Sure.
Okay? Because people have dreams and they're going to be like, oh, this guy is pursuing his dream. I want to watch.
Yeah.
You know? So it's like the object though is that to make the show good is that your dream has to be unusual. It can't be like, oh, I want to open up a restaurant.
Sure.
The whole key is that you have to have an unusual dream to make the show work.
Yeah. I need something like 1,000 subscribers to my channel.
Right, okay. So I need 1,000 subscribers. So the first guys that get on the site, there are going to be no ads because I haven't got 1,000 subscribers. So then once I get 1,000 subscribers, then you're going to start seeing ads.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
So ads are the way that I'm going to make my money.
Yeah.
And I need my money to do my brewery.
Yeah. Yeah.
Let me show everybody my lime trick.
Put it on the screen.
Go back to the question you just asked. So
once you get your 1,000 and you start making money, there'll be ads on the video.
Yeah, this is gonna blow your head off.
Lift the bottle up a little. Yeah, that's it.
See, the lime's gonna come through and get all the way through.
Cheers.
I hope you don't care about my thumb being on the
I can no problem.
Drink.
No problem.
So once I leave and come back and start making money, once you see ads coming on, you know that I'll be making money. Okay.
Right. Okay.
I'll come back here okay?
Yeah.
And the show is going to be doubly better because I'm going to have money,
You're right.
right?
You're right.
I'm not going to be poor.
We're moving on.
Yes, and I'm going to start the process of the brewery. And you guys have seen the brewery that I have already.
Yeah.
Right? It's going to be it's an awesome place. Okay?
Fantastic. Fantastic.
So the show is going to be like, it's actually going to be more going into the brewery aspect, the culture. But so the first part was 80% culture, 20% brewery. Once I start making my money, it's probably going to reverse. It's going to be 80% brewery stuff and 20% culture. When I see something really cool, I'll do it. But it's got to be really cool, and I got high standards. Okay? So I think I got that question.
The next full question?
Or no.
On here.
The next little line.
Anything and everything we do, we are going to film.
Oh. Man, I did good on that piece of paper. Yeah, so obviously when you watch the first 10 or 12, whatever episodes I put on my launch.
And all this is unscripted and it's still homemade.
Right, unscripted. Homade's my favorite word.
Yeah.
Homade's my favorite word. So, yeah, I mean, you'll see the first 9 episodes other than the talk is totally homemade.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't really have to explain because you're going to be seeing it.
Yeah.
I mean, you'll see all our mistakes. We've never done it before.
Yeah.
So it's like growing pains, you know?
Yeah.
So that's that. So what's the next little line on there?
Everything we do, anything we see, is interesting, funny, cool, sights.
Okay,
sounds.
I got something good on that.
Come on.
So say that line again.
So everything we do, anything we see, that is interesting, funny, cool, sights, sounds.
Okay, so when I got down here, that was my goal.
Yeah.
But when I started doing it, Nick and I were talking and we're like, the people is all we have to focus on.
Yes.
The interesting people is what people want.
Yeah.
So sights, sounds, sights, forget that. It's all about interesting people.
And another thing it says here, the questioner.
Oh, the questionnaire?
The questionnaire.
I've done a couple. It's probably not going to be on the first 10 videos, but it's funny, like you think of something when you're at home that could be good, and then when you get here, it's like not that good. So I like revamped the questionnaire.
Yeah.
And one cool story about that is like I'll say some questions and they don't like it, and then I'll say another question to them and they'll like perk up and be like, "Oh, I can answer that for you." You know, so that was cool. So
and this is about getting people to talk to us.
Yeah, okay. So that thought was, you don't want to go up to like strangers and just talk to them. Like, how do you break the ice?
Yeah.
So maybe if there's like a group of cool people that we want to talk to, maybe I'll be like, hey, will you guys answer a questionnaire for us? And then we talk about the questions, but it's really like an excuse just to get them talking.
Yeah. Okay.
You know, so like instead of like, who's this, you know, having nothing in my, not having a purpose, you know, in the conversation, this gives us a purpose. But I don't really care about the questionnaire. I care about the people's answers and get them talking. And then once they start talking, then throw the questionnaire out the window.
You've got through the ice. You've broken the ice.
Exactly. It's an icebreaker. Exactly.
So moving on, question 9.
Oh shit. Getting so wasted, I'm like, can't even drink.
Supposed to go down your mouth.
This is cool. It's just going around to everyone in the world.
Just remember
that I'm a sloppy drunk. That's fine.
This is homemade.
There you go.
It doesn't sound like a show about starting a brewery.
I know that one, Ed.
Yeah.
All right, so
Tell me about the vision.
say that again.
So it doesn't sound like a show about starting a brewery.
All right,
So
so
tell me about the vision.
I have no money.
Yeah,
I can't start a brewery.
yeah.
I have to like get people interested. So I'm like, what are people interested in? I bet you they're interested in interesting people on
Sure.
the island.
Yeah, yeah.
You
yeah.
know? You know? So what's the next little line?
So you want to find somewhere to build this brewery?
Oh,
Space? No?
you're gonna see. Wait,
I-
don't turn the page. They've already seen that. I've only seen 2 places, but the second place was like, we're done. You know what I'm saying?
So
Like once I saw the second place, I was like, this is perfect.
So you found a good space already.
Unbelievable.
Great.
The problem is, it's not turnkey. The first place I saw was turnkey,
Yes.
okay? But it was on the road, concrete.
Yeah.
Second place I saw was in, you can't even imagine the second place I saw. Okay, totally different. Totally different. Like
Remote?
Exactly.
But
Not remote.
No?
Mims, I mean, it was close to Mims. You don't know what Mims
Mims
is,
is
but
no.
no.
Tell
but,
me, what is Mims?
Oh my God, Mims is a cook shop that all the
Okay.
locals go to.
Right.
Yep. So is there a couple more lines under there that?
So